I love this place. I love my colleagues. I love the clients that we serve, even if I don't get to work with, directly with very many anymore. And it's hard to envision that there will be a day that I won't feel the same way about it. And yet I know, just like I said, I'm a different person and different perspective than I was when there were 7 of us. I know that day will likely come and so forth. I don't see it on the horizon. We are going to continue to build out the management team. But the point is, it relates to me. There is a group of people, right? There are a group of people that are capable of running the organization. If something happened to me, I hope to do this for a really long time, even if I give up, as I have in the past, incrementally, a little more responsibility and a little more responsibility. But I do, again, one of the things that I think become clear on, it's taken a very long time, but what I'm good at and where I can add value and where my weaknesses are.